Hey, math superstars. Welcome back. Today we're tackling something that trips up a lot of students: mixed numbers and improper fractions. What are they? How do you switch between them? And why does it even matter? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be converting between them like a total pro. No stress, no confusion, just pure math magic. Let's do this. Okay, first things first, what even is a mixed number? Picture this. You ordered 3 pizzas for your party, 2 whole pizzas are gone, and there's 3/4 of a pizza left. That leftover amount, 2 3/4, is a mixed number. It's simply a whole number hanging out with a fraction. You see mixed numbers all the time. 2.5 hours of screen time, 1 3/4 cups of flour in a recipe. They're everywhere. Now let's talk about improper fractions. Don't let the word improper scare you, and there's nothing bad about them at all. An improper fraction just means the top number, the numerator, is bigger than or equal to the bottom number, the denominator. Like 11/4, that top number 11 is way bigger than 4. Improper fractions are actually super useful when you're multiplying or dividing fractions. Mathematicians use them all the time because they're easier to work with in calculations. Here's the coolest part. A mixed number and an improper fraction can represent the exact same amount. 2 3/4 equals 11/4. They look totally different, but they're identical in value. It's like saying a dozen eggs versus 12 eggs. Same thing, different words. So, why do we need both forms? Because different math problems work better with one or the other. That's why knowing how to switch between them is such a powerful skill. Ready to learn the trick? Converting a mixed number to an improper fraction is only 3 steps. I call it the MAC method: multiply, add, keep. Step 1. Multiply the whole number by the denominator. Step 2. Add that result to the numerator. Step 3. Keep the same denominator. That's it! Multiply, add, keep, MAC. Write that down, because once you've got MAC locked in, this conversion will take you about 5 seconds flat. Going the other direction is just as easy. To convert an improper fraction back to a mixed number, you just divide. Take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. The answer you get, the quotient, becomes your whole number. Whatever's left over, the remainder, becomes the new numerator, and the denominator stays exactly the same. So 11 divided by 4, that's 2 with a remainder of 3, so we get 2 3/4. Boom, done. Let's try our first example together. We want to convert 3 2/5 into an improper fraction. Remember MAC: multiply, add, keep. Step 1, multiply. Take the whole number, 3, and multiply it by the denominator, 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. Step 2, add. Now add the numerator, which is 2. So 15 plus 2 equals 17. Step 3, keep. Keep the denominator as 5. So 3 2/5 becomes 17/5. MAC makes it so simple. You've totally got this. Let's try a second one to lock in that MAC method. This time, convert 4 3/7 to an improper fraction. Multiply. 4 times 7 equals 28. Add. 28 plus 3 equals 31. Keep, the denominator stays 7. So 4 3/7 equals 31/7. Now, let's double check our answer. If we divide 31 by 7, we get 4 with a remainder of 3, which gives us 4 3/7 right back. That's how you know it's correct. Always check your work. That's what math superstars do. Now let's go the other way. Convert 13/4 to a mixed number. We divide the numerator by the denominator, so 13 divided by 4. How many times does 4 go into 13? It goes in 3 times because 3 times 4 equals 12. What's the remainder? 13 minus 12 equals 1. So our remainder is 1. Now we build the mixed number. The quotient 3 becomes the whole number, the remainder 1 becomes the new numerator, and we keep the denominator as 4. 13/4 equals 3 1/4. One more improper to mixed conversion. Let's try 23/6. Divide 23 by 6. How many times does 6 go into 23? Well, 6 times 3 equals 18, and 6 times 4 equals 24. That's too big. So 6 goes into 23 exactly 3 times with something left over. Now find the remainder. 23 minus 18 equals 5. So the remainder is 5. Build the mixed number. Whole number is 3. New numerator is 5. Denominator stays 6. 23 sixths equals 3 and 5 sixths. You're absolutely crushing it. Let's make sure this all makes sense with a visual pizza check. Imagine you have 7/3 of a pizza. 7 divided by 3. 3 goes into 7 twice because 3 times 2 equals 6, and the remainder is 7 minus 6, which equals 1. So we get 2 whole pizzas and 1/3 of a pizza left over. That's 2 and 1/3. And look at the circles. 2 full circles and 1 circle with 1 out of 3 slices filled. 7/3 really is 2 and 1/3. Your brain plus pizza equals unstoppable math power. Here's a slightly trickier one to really test your skills. Convert 5 and 7/8 to an improper fraction. Mac time. Multiply, add, keep. Multiply. 5 times 8 equals 40. Add. 40 plus 7 equals 47. Keep. Denominator stays 8. So 5 and 7/8 equals 47/8. Now let's verify. 47 divided by 8. 8 times 5 equals 40. And 47 minus 40 equals 7. That gives us back 5 with remainder 7, which is 5 and 7/8. Perfect match. You nailed it. Before you go off and practice, let me warn you about the most common mistakes students make. Mistake number 1. When converting a mixed number, some students just add the whole number and the numerator. That's wrong. You must multiply first, then add. Mistake number 2. Changing the denominator. The denominator never changes, ever. Mistake number 3. Forgetting the remainder when going from improper to mixed. That remainder is your new numerator, and skipping it is a big oops. Keep these in mind and you'll be mistake-free. Incredible work today. Let's do a super fast recap. A mixed number has a whole number plus a fraction. An improper fraction has a numerator that's bigger than the denominator. To convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, use MAK, multiply, add, keep. To go from an improper fraction to a mixed number, divide and use the remainder. And always double-check your work. You've got 2 3/4 equals 11/4 locked in your brain. Parents and teachers, this is a great concept to practice with real-world examples like cooking measurements or sharing